In part 1 of the active listening scavenger hunt, Ms. Carmen's improv troupe was in the middle of an activity designed to reinforce the 4 key components of active listening. Focus on the speaker. Think about what the speaker is saying. Respond non-verbally and respond verbally. Be sure to watch part 1 before proceeding with this video. Now, we rejoin the knowledge seekers as they share their findings on nonverbal and verbal responses.
We're making really good progress.
Let's go over our notes on nonverbal responses.
Nonverbal responses, such as facial expression and body language, help the speaker and listener recognize that the content and its meaning are being received. Check out the photos we snapped. In these, the listener's nonverbals show agreement, excitement, and confusion. This person's open and receptive posture conveys acceptance.
But the speaker's nonverbals are just as important. They help the listener determine how the speaker feels. You can tell that this man is upset just by the way he's standing.
Nonverbals are also very important in groups. Look at this photo. Can you tell which people agree with the speaker?
How about verbal responses? They're the 4th component of active listening.
My notes say that the communication cycle is not complete until the listener becomes a speaker. The listener needs to respond verbally to what the speaker is saying. Verbal responses can be used in many ways, including sharing opinions or feelings, explaining an idea or thought, coming to an agreement, or to raise issues for further discussion.
Verbal responses within groups are similar to verbal responses in one-on-one situations. You need to take turns. The key is to wait to respond until the speaker has finished, and then speak. You don't want to pounce on the other person before they have completed their thought. These 2 women waited for each other to finish before speaking.
This guy kept interrupting his girlfriend as she was speaking. I could tell she was getting angry. Interrupting wastes time, frustrates the speaker, and limits everyone's ability to understand the speaker's message.
Why are you so upset?
I'm explaining why
Sean, I need to be here like an hour ago. Why are you always late?
there was a
You
bike
are-
Finally, avoid having side conversations whenever you're in groups. Those only distract the other group members and prevent them from listening to who is speaking. They can also create tension and confusion in the group.
I think we found everything.
Yeah, actually, this scavenger hunt was kind of fun.
Yeah, finding examples of listening and not listening really showed me why it's so important.
Yeah, hey, I texted Miss Carmen to tell her we were through with the hunt, and she says she hopes we learn the important role active listening plays in how we solve problems, resolve conflict, and build relationships with others.
The knowledge seekers seem to be getting the message loud and clear. Good listening is active listening. You can improve your own listening skills by focusing and thinking during your conversations and responding verbally as well as non-verbally. Keep listening and keep thinking aloud.